See, Daddy. I want to see the back.
You want to be the vlogger? Okay, why don't you be the vlogger, Lola? You vlog Daddy.
Okay. And Daddy?
You want to be the I want to be the videographer.
I want to be the videographer, Daddy.
Pretty good.
Can I do that?
Oof, rough when I have that reverse screen. Wowza, just waking up.
I want to use it.
The reverse screen now.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Buzza.
Good morning. Coffee. And I want the juice to talk about it.
Buddy boy. Buddy boy. Just making messes. What are you best at, Buzz? No touching that. No touching it.
Mommy is not proud of Buzzy anymore. This is my camera.
It is? Okay, let's take a picture of each other. Ready, set.
Hello, good morning again. Good mid-morning. We're at the beach. It's beautiful in La Jolla. We're just unloading the car. We're gonna go see some friends. And I am determined today to get in the ocean. Uh-oh. Oh no, Buzza. Oh no. But can you get that, bird? Can you get the ball? Okay. To the beach we go. He loves it. Yay, can you say yay? Can you say yay? He loves it. Yay. He's like almost like shaking. He's so excited. Dada.
Hi, buddy. His arms shivering and
Because
everything.
he's like, it's not cold. He's just so excited. Is it exciting? Wow, it's so exciting. Yay. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Just ocean, it's so good. Hey, are you guys playing volleyballs?
Kick it.
Oh, we could do volleyballs too. You could do both, honey.
Okay. Watch this. I want to do volleyball.
Okay, show me. You guys, why don't you? Yeah, Mies, nice volleyballs.
A volleyball. Down around here, just like this. Before you drop down. See?
Nice. Kayla, let's go try. They're still perfecting their volleyball skills. Probably running in better.
Elia! Don't try to chase it.
How was the water?
So nice. Loved it.
You look like a mermaid.
Thank you.
It was so warm and beautiful, huh? It's just a wonderful day in La Jolla. I was determined. You ready for some wine? Go ahead.
Wine break.
Sure, get that with you.
Like, where's Harrison? Just kind of. Good day. Just sneaking. Hey. Hi. Just a little bit sandy. Just a little bit, Sandy. Hi.
It's okay.
Jack, what happened, buddy? Jackie, are you a little bit sandy?
Do you know what? He just stumbled into a wave.
Oh, did you tumble into a wave? You're awesome, Jack. Pound it. Send it, Jack. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're home. Look what Bobby made us. Homemade. Okay, look at mine. Homemade, oh yeah, baby. Acai bowl of heaven. Look at that beauty.
Bro, it's so legit.
You're so much hotter when you make me acai bowls.
I'm doing it, Kim.
Wow, I'll share this with you, Bear. We're home. It was a great day at the beach. Really like the best day ever, except until the end when Elia melted down.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay.
Every time.
Every time. Like, she loves the beach, has the best time ever, and then just has a little bit of a hard time getting home. And we didn't give in and give the pacifier, so
All right.
pound it.
Well done. You did
Okay,
a good
guys.
job with that.
It was a good
Mimi
few
Fairy.
days. Mimi Fairy. Thanks for hanging in there with us. I think all in all, it was a success with the Mimi. We'll see how the next few days goes, but so far, it's really been pretty good. I mean, a few little meltdowns here and there, but I'm pretty proud of our girl.
You did.
She's stepping up.
She did it, man.
I never thought we'd get rid of that thing, ever, but it worked. Beach was great today. Thanks so much for watching, for hanging with us. Looking forward to connecting with you more. I don't know what we got going on next week. It's a mystery to us. But have a great week, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.